What's up, guys? Starting a Labor Day off with a pond build. Pretty cool. Let's walk back here and take a look at what we got going on today. So we're gonna come through here. We're gonna clean up all these beds. Homeowners getting the house ready to sell. It's kind of got away from them with the plant growth. And believe it or not, behind this awesome seating area with tons of shade is a pond. So we're gonna rip all this stuff out, make it look nice, and then more importantly, showcase the pond that is hiding over here. So this is a very small pond. We're gonna rip all this stuff out, clean it up, and install a brand new Aquascape Ecosystem Pond. So stay tuned. We'll be right back with the finished product.